Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a collection of photos from your Mac to the Photos application. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a collection of photos, and the Photos application, which is built into the Mac. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, navigate to the Photos application, which once was called iPhoto, then they rebranded it to Photos. Click on Photos, and now we can go to the dock again, go to Finder, go to my YouTube channel, which is in Documents, navigate to Photos 2019, go to Collection, and now we have 4 photos on screen that are ready to be imported to Photos. We can either highlight and then drop onto Photos, or we can go to File, Import, go to Document, My YouTube channel, navigate to Photos 2019, go to Collection, highlight all the photos, Review for Import. And now we see the photos have all been imported to Photos. Import all new photos. We can keep folder organization if required to. However, click on Import all new photos. And now the photos are in the application Photos. Click on one photo. Swipe to the left. Swipe to the left again. Go back once. Quick Photos. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.